Come test drive the 2014 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, trailer brake controller, remote keyless entry, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar, lane departure warning, cruise control, power outlet, console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.